Ever walked barefoot on a beach and heard that weird squeaky sound under your feet? It's like the sand's trying to talk to you. Step, squeak, step, squeak. But sand doesn't have a voice, right? So what's going on here? Let's dive into one of nature's strangest little mysteries. Why does sand squeak when you walk on it? Okay, first things first. Not all sand squeaks. Wet sand? Nope. Rocky sand? Silent. Only a very specific kind of dry sand makes that sound. And for years, scientists were scratching their heads trying to figure out why. It's not your feet, it's not the wind, it's something happening deep down, between the grains. Back in the 1960s, researchers in the Netherlands got curious. They built machines to mimic footsteps, pressed sand between glass plates. They even tried walking on sand in soundproof rooms. But the squeak only happened when the sand was just right. Not too wet, not too coarse, not too fine. It was like sand had a secret formula. And only then. Here's the science behind it. When you step on dry, rounded grains of quartz sand, they compress and rub against each other. That friction causes the grains to vibrate together. It's like a mini orchestra of sand particles playing the same note, and that vibration creates a high-pitched sound. So yeah, it's not your foot making the noise. It's billions of tiny grains resonating like tuning forks made of rock. Wait, it gets even weirder. Squeaky sand doesn't just sound like beaches. It's been reported in deserts, sand dunes, and even in Antarctica. And in some places, sand doesn't just squeak, it moves. That's right. Entire dunes can produce a deep, thunder-like sound when they shift. Locals call it singing sand. Scientists call it acoustic emissions. And it's one of the few natural sounds you can hear from miles away. So next time you're walking on a beach and hear that squeak, don't ignore it. You're triggering a microscopic concert. Billions of grains vibrating in harmony, creating a sound older than civilization. It's nature's way of saying, even the tiniest things can make noise worth noticing. If you love uncovering everyday wonders like this, hit that subscribe button. We've got more mysteries coming your way. From why fire changes color to how your brain tricks you in the shower. This is Random Facts Fiesta, where science meets curiosity. Stay curious, stay quirky, keep listening for those